Take two. Wee. Oh wait, it's upside down. Oh no, it's right. There we go. Project done. And going away. Don't worry, I still have it. It's gonna be sitting on the PlayStation for now. But new project. Dun, da, 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 da. Hold on, let me change my lighting here. Looks kind of dull. Let's brighten it up, shall we? Much better. Project for today. Hold on, let me set my timer here. $25. There we go. Sorry, I gotta do this because my video merging thing on my phone just quit. So now I only gotta do, it only limits me to do 20-ish minute videos, so I'm only doing them 25 at a time. But this will be the next build. It is actually bought from Napa. It's a wooden model. I've never done one. This is actually the wife's model. She wanted me to do it, so let's open her up. Oh, that felt good. Alright, let's just rip this open. There we go. What the? What? Oh, come on. More plastic? Oy, oy, oy. More bloody plastic. No wonder why we're all screwed up. When I did her dollhouse furniture, it did come with a little bit of square sandpaper. The instruction manual. Or manual. Let me bring it over a little bit. There we go. Much better. Manual. Wait. It's cardboard? What's cardboard? Alright, I gotta look at this. Here's the wooden bits. Oh my goodness, it's actually numbered and lettered. It actually looks nice. See, this is what they should have done. But no, they didn't. Alright, boys, let's begin, shall we? So what kind of Lego crap's going on here? Holy frickin' road map. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Holy frickin' road map. Alright. There's in sections here. Assembly tool. There is an assembly tool for this? What? Wait, don't tell me. No. Alright, where's this? Why does it smell like glue? I know I'm complaining a lot, but come on. D7. Why do I feel like I'm playing Battleship again? D7. There's D7. I guess this would be the tool. Well, I like that. Nice engraved. That's cool. I should have got another one of these. Yeah, because I told the wife, it's like, you know, she built one on the channel. Because you don't see them built. It's actually quite neat. A2. Whoa, whoa, I'm losing bits. Okay. A1. Okay, that's A1. Then what the heck is this one? What the hell is this then? Oh, it's right there. It's actually labeled A3. Okay, so that goes there. Oops. Put that over there. A8. D7. What the hell is this for? I don't know what that piece is actually for. I'm just looking. Oh. Use pointed end to reposition parts. Use round end to apply gentle pressure. Define gentle pressure. A6. Lot of A6. Wait. Okay, that's A16. Oh, there's your A6. Okay. 4 of them. What the hell was that? Oh, printed side. Step 2 spare bits. Okay. Just need 4 of them, so. Oh my goodness, these laser cut bits. Holy moly. I tell you, these are very sensitive. Very sensitive bits. Alright, let's do this. Where's my sandpaper? Oh, I already lost a part. How? Oh, come on. Really? I lost a part. My big gahookie worried about something else and I lose a part already. What a dingus I am. Okay, where is that part? Now I'm worried. There it is. Way underneath there. Alright. That goes. You need to find a new location. Okay, open up. Holes go there. Yeah. Okay. And this goes up like this. You know, I just might put glue on it just to keep it tacked down. Oh, I'm looking for A8. Oh, there's my A8. Must be the axle. Wow, that goes in real smooth. My goodness, I'm actually starting to like this model. This kit. Haven't even started. Yeah, they only had a limited amount of these. I should have got a second one. This thing is cool. Okay. Printed side up. That's kind of neat how they actually engrave where it's supposed to be. It's actually kind of neat. Kind of like that idea. Oh, 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 oh. That flexes. Okay. That part's done. Okay, A10. What do we got for time here? $14. A10. No, that's the one I want. Oh, sorry, smacked the camera. Oh, I really like this build. I mean, starting, I'm liking this build. Okay, that one's done. Who knew? I'm already done with the first step. Oh, that felt good. Excuse the heck out of me. I need to find a better location for all these parts. There we go. That over there. There we go. A12. Move it this way so I can actually read you. Whoops. That piece came out, so that goes that way. Okay, A15 and then 14. Okay. Oh, I can't put those on yet. So 15. Okay, it goes like that. Yep, goes like that. And then 14. Goes this one right here. Oop, goes the other way. Ooh. Almost missed that mark. Okay. 13. And then A1. Oh, A11. Steak sauce. And 18. Oh, there it is. Okay, I really like the dash. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, that is cool. That's a cool looking dashboard. I like that. Even the steering wheel even has little markers on it. It's actually kind of cool. Okay. There we go. Dashboard. Well, almost in. There it goes. Had to slide a little bit more. And this goes in. Wow. That is cool. Oh, that step is done. Oh, that felt good. Had to scratch me leg. A17s. So that's these right here. Got sandpaper. I know I'm not doing every single part. Okay, let's figure this out here. So it goes like that. Oh! Okay, so this would be the inside. Okay, this is the underneath. Okay. That's neat. Now I'm gonna do this. If it will let me. So it goes there. Yeah, it goes there. And I'll put the numbers on the outside. Oh, okay. Let's see how it goes now. Okay, so it slides it like that. Oh! Shit! I broke it! Shit! Damn it! Ooh, I'm a dead man now. Epic fail. My wood glue's upstairs. Oh no. What time do we have? Freaking 6 minutes in. All is left and I freaking break the model. Damn. Oh. Oh, man. That is such a disappointment. I can't believe I did that too. Oh, man. That is such a disappointment on my part. How bad is it? Oh, yeah, she's bad. It lines up, but... Oh, man. I wonder if she has glue on her side. I don't know. Is that PVA? It is. Yes! Is this crap any good, though? Is there an expiration date on glue? Shake or stir prior to use. What? Oh my goodness. Vigorously shake? Oh my god. Oh, watch there be no seal on it. Oh, there's a seal on it. Oh, put a ring on that note. Ooh. I need an applicator. Ooh, this will work. Crap, I don't have scissors on me. Oh, they're in there. Ignore me. Rest in peace card. Yes, it's already been used, so ha ha ha, shame on you. Tell me, don't try to put that back on there. Duh. Just a little dab of glue should do the trick. Just a little dab. Put that up there. Oop. Go that way with it. Yeah, just a little dab should do the trick. Oh, I didn't get it good enough. Ugh. I mean, just enough to hold it in place. Ugh. How the hell? How did we even put up with this glue? With this school glue? I call it school glue. People call it PVA. I think it's called PVA or white glue. School glue, white glue. There, look, I used my glue. Well, I didn't use it. It's not mine, so haha. All right, let's put this back. Let's put this together. Put this together. I got a minute and a quarter left. And then I got to make another video for next week. Yes, ha ha ha. I'm cheating. Shame on me. Does that go? Oh, there's holes. Okay, there's holes that lines up for that. Well, I got 20 seconds left, so I am going to say good luck. Hope you enjoyed this video so far. Please leave a comment, please subscribe, please share. I got other models I can do. I have Legos. I have Legos. The Back to the Future theme Legos actually is the Playmobil kits. It's the two Advent calendars, the DeLorean, the Toyota pickup truck, and then something else, I think. Yes, something else. I have 4 models. Actually, I got 6 models I can pick from. I also have 2 metal models I can do. And this is the wood model. And if you want me to do a video specifically on the models that you want me to work on, just comment below and I will do a viewer's choice, a viewer's pick on the model